Hey, you look about right. Hey, Skidge, how you doing today?
Back up. Welcome back to another episode of Crude. We're going to go over a little of the shop and the fleet. The main thing is going to be the fleet of vehicles that I have that are all broken. First and foremost, look at the gravel. Just got a load of gravel to come in today.
It looks pretty.
One little load of 1 inch clean. Not bad. We've got a fucking level entrance to get into the shop and not a lip about this big that we have to go up over. Let's start over here with the old Aluma-Duty. Actually, we'll start with the side-by-side. So the side-by-side is a 2017 Polaris Turbo 1000. Got a few goodies going on with it. Let's go over here. We got 31s on it, Rockzillas. Go on that side. Metal doors, custom cage, full sound system with a sub. Like, we got some JLs back here, JLs here, touchscreen radio from Walmart, rock lights, the whole 9 yards. I bought this off of Marketplace for 20 bucks the day I bought this thing. Little roll cage back there, shock therapy and valving done on some Fox shocks on this thing. Not too bad of a little rock rig. The problem with it is dead battery. Very dead battery. You're gonna see a pattern here today, and it's probably gonna be batteries. All this thing needs is a battery and she's good to go. I tried to revive the other one with my battery charger inside. Did not work. Second on the chopping block is this old gal right behind Brian.
Oh, the old beautiful, huh?
Yeah, the old reliable. That's not very reliable anymore. So obviously, if you guys seen, and if you haven't seen, go ahead and check out that video right now, especially since you guys are on Christmas vacation. You have time to check out the video. Go check out the video where Greg A blew up my truck. There, that's the title of it. I'll put the link right here. As you can see, we have no more rubbers back here. These old 36s are gone. The inside's even worse, honestly. Look at that. Holy. So we did 6-gear burnouts hooked to a chain in the burnout pit at a Blake's show, the last show that he did this year. A couple accidents happened here, no big deal. We don't need to get into that. That is gonna get fixed. Accidents happen. It happened at the booth. They're gonna take care of it like good people that they are. So this is all gonna get repainted as soon as we get the engine dialed in. So what's wrong with the engine, you might ask? CP4. CP4 had to have disco pate. As you can tell, the amp steps didn't come down. Guess what's wrong with this one? Dead battery. I swear, we can't win around here, dude. Everything's dead battery. And wait, did you notice that?
Notice what?
Were you wondering where one of your filters went?
Oh, I'm gonna need that. That's my new one.
Oh, she's just been sitting right there. And look, literally, has not been driven since FP's truck.
Yeah, that's rough.
Yeah, I miss her a little bit. So honestly, I don't even know what's in the back seat. I haven't drove this thing. There's some clutches. Oh, there's my freaking hay dudes. Oh, look.
That ain't mine.
That is your beef jerky.
No.
Or was this
No, I'll take that Pop-Tart over there.
This is Grady's. No, you're not allowed to have pastries.
I'll take that Pop-Tart over there.
And a bunch of shirts that I got from the show. Like, I haven't even cleaned this thing out. That's how much I just said screw it on this thing. It does have brand new front tires, so that's a plus, right? Looks pretty. Nice powder and all that fun stuff underneath the hood. Or not under the hood yet. So.
Oh. See, just like my truck.
No, they just need pumped up. Hold on. That's just.
You think so?
Okay, I don't think pumping up's gonna do it. So now, to add to the checklist, we need new struts. We do have a piping kit from Pusher Piping Kits. The cold, the hot side, the air intake, the whole wide pipe system. And I just got it powder coated. Stay tuned for that video because this video is gonna include a DCR kit, 30% over injectors, all new lines, clean the pump, clean the tank, replace all that fun stuff. So if you guys have ever wanted to see a disaster kit, actually not disaster kit, contamination kit installed, wait for this one. This one's gonna be a good one. Oh, and on top of that, look at this. This is why my rock lights don't work. They got hot. So what happens is this thing will, whenever it dies in a burnout and I have the rock lights on and I go to turn it back on, for some reason it sends like...
Too much power?
I don't know, it sends a crazy current through it. And now like all this is burnt to a crisp and now I gotta rewire all my rock lights. So add that to the list. Look, they're staying up.
Oh. Well,
that wraps that one up.
Damn! What is this Lamborghini, bro?
I don't show the Huracan yet.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Show the freaking Huracan.
That's for the next video.
So, a lot of you guys have probably seen this truck in the background. This is my 1983 Ford F-150 two-wheel drive. That and I'll insert a picture right here. I bought this truck with only 70,000. No, 50,000 miles original on the truck in Washington State. Very clean truck. I hand polished the entire thing to bring the oxidization out of the paint. It took me a week to do it, and it was in high school because I didn't have like a paint polisher and all that. So I did it all by hand. I did each panel 5 times each just to bring the gloss back out into it. And I did that in the entire week. At the very end of the week, I went out with my friends and my girlfriend at the time, wrecked the truck. Went through the woods, caved the A-pillar in. You'll see the picture down below. So then I put it all back together because we were moving to Missouri. Put it all back together. Like, dude, I guarantee I had like 10 different colors on this thing. Like, it took 10 different trucks to build this thing back up. Drove it around senior year, multicolored like crazy. At December time frame, so like right around this time frame, senior year, I was doing auto body school. Brought it in there, stripped it all down, repainted it, and painted it this color. Beautiful color. But hail has done its damage on it since it's been sitting here. It's just got a 300 inline 6 in it, which it's going to get another 6-cylinder in it, possibly. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think I should do with this truck. I do have a 1-ton frame sitting out there, which I'll show you in a minute. And maybe some like Super Duty axles, keep it low. Maybe like a 1,300 horsepower Cummins, maybe a 48 ratchet shifter. I don't know. You guys let me know. Single wheel, dually, low, high. What do you think? I don't know. So at the end of this story, I painted it, graduated high school. 3 months later, my friend was going to a go away party. I went there, was coming back home, and a drunk girl hit me. Bro, I can't make this shit up. Hit me and took off. Bro, I couldn't catch her in this freaking 306. She had an F-150, like a 2012 F-150. I think she was drunk. Caved this freaking fender in. Chipped the paint. Fucked all this up. Fucked this all up. Cracked my brand new bezels. This is a different fender. This is like a junkyard fender I found. And I painted it actually on a tree. It's not a perfect fender, but I just like, just half-ass painted it just to make it match so I could drive it to work every day. I drove it to Louisiana to go to the oil field. And that's when I think it dropped a cylinder. It's a 9-hour drive and it wasn't happy about it. It does have dual fuel tanks, which is pretty cool. Interior is obviously gross right now, but it's very clean interior. Sheesh. Obviously, you can tell I had a love for King Ranches way before
King Ranches were a thing.
Were a freaking thing. So I ain't no trader or wannabe guy. You know who you are, bro. You know who you are. Here, let's show you under the hood. This big old powerhouse. You don't even want to know. This thing.
Whoa! Sheesh, that's not a Cummins, huh?
No, but it is an inline 6. It does run, but guess what the problem is with it? Dead battery. Yep, if you guessed that, you guessed right. And before we get too much further into the video, if you guys haven't known and you haven't seen yet because of the, I don't know, 100 posts that we've already made, my 1997 F350 dually with a 12-valve Cummins inline 6 is now up for grabs for one of you guys. And right now, as this video is posted, it's going to be 25 times entries for just this day. And that's Christmas. And maybe Christmas Eve. I might do Christmas Eve and Christmas. But right now is your best chance to get to enter to win my one-of-one 12-valve Cummins. OBS Fummins. This thing is a beaut. Now, it's a 97. It ain't perfect. But it's got a full sound system, wheels, tires, drilled-in slaughter, rotors, fueling, turbo, built head, built engine, everything's built on it. ZF5 manual, buddy, you can't beat it. It has 2010 Super Duty interior. Are you freaking kidding me? Look at this. It's absolutely minty. What other OBS has this? None of them. So, like I said, it's a 97. It's older than me. It's older than you. Comment down below if you've entered. If you have entered, enter some more. Because the more tickets you get, the better the chance it is. So get entered to win this bad boy. And I think we're going to do a little upgrades to her along the way. Just because why not? That way you guys don't have to worry about it when you win it and you take it home. Moving on to the next one. That's a customer's vehicle. Those two are. That's a customer's vehicle. The beds that come off of those two vehicles right there. This 24 valve, that one needs to be fixed. Trailer, camper, neither one of mine. But the orange trailer now, I don't think anything's broken on it. Well, I do have one tire that is, I don't even know how it's still holding air. Actually, it got me all the way home from Tennessee. Don't know how that's possible, but it did. When I show you this tire, you're going to be like, how the is that even possible? I didn't even know it was blown until the very next morning. Look at that thing.
She's been through a lot.
Hey, buddy, I'm telling you, it took me all the way from Tennessee to my house with a truck on the back.
That's impressive.
Not bad.
Oh, there is something broken on the trailer, eh?
Oh, yeah. So that is, as you guys know, is Cowboy Killer. It is broken. It's got a hole in the block. I think one of the Western cowboys got a hold of her and put a couple holes in the block. Did you know your hook's a little crooked? Now, this beauty of a trailer. I wish Low Trail would do a little better on their power coating, because this is kind of like, it's fading already to like a pinkish salmon color, and it was bright orange.
You have like a peach color in a little bit.
So, I mean, it is what it is. Anyways, let's go over here. Now, I did not tell you guys yet, but I bought this is what my thumbnail and title should be. I bought one of the world's cleanest OBS Ford dualies. It's like restored and everything. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to show you this. And fast forward, this is the end of the video. Here it is. It's a project truck.
Damn.
No, but this is if you guys know of my rendering that I had put out for the OBS, the Fummins. I was supposed to do this years ago, and I never did get around to doing it. Too busy and not enough money to do it. This is a 4-door long bed, 1-ton frame for an OBS Ford. And this thing, I've already ripped off, obviously, the spring hangers. I took all that off. This whole frame.
Oh, you were ready for it.
Like, it's ready for a lift. Like, legit, it's ready. The only thing I gotta take off is a coil bucket. The only thing that's left on here is cab mounts and bed mounts. The only thing that has to come off is this right here. That's it. So it's what? 1, 2, 3, 4?
4 bolts.
No, 4 rivets. That's it. So yeah, 4 rivets and she's out. Other than that, literally she's stripped, ready to go. I was fixing to start welding in all these holes, make it a smooth frame, and do all of that. Now we have these axles as well. Could I buy another OBS and just build that thing, frame off, and just do that as a build? Oh, let me know down in the comments. The comments better be popping. If we get 2,000 likes on this video, I'll do 100 times entry multiplier on the OBS Fummins. 2,000 likes. 2,000 likes. 100 times multiplier. That's the highest multiplier I've ever seen. And it's the best chance to win that truck. These two axles are on an F550, like a rollback. It has 488 gears. As you can tell, that is like a 2.5-ton axle. It has the square housing and everything. Yeah, beefy bastards. Like, that's a Dana Super 60. Super rare axle, super expensive.
That's a big guy.
And as you can tell, I don't know if you can tell, if you know anything about axles, but this is already smoothed out and ready for a truss. There's nothing here. Leaf spring perches are gone. It's ready for a truss, as well as this here. So I took all of your brackets off of here, smoothed this all out, cut this off for your panhard bar. This is already cut off and smoothed out for an axle truss. So both of these axles and this frame is literally ready for a 4-link whenever I want to do it. 4-links really aren't that expensive. Should I do it, Rip?
I think you said yeah.
Oh, don't forget about this frame right here. This frame is not junk.
What's that bad boy
There's
for?
the frame for the 83 Ford that I was telling you guys about. This is the frame that I have for it. That's a 1-ton single cab long bed frame. Well, it's a dually axle in the rear too. So yeah, I mean, we've got a lot of projects around here. I don't know what to start with. I don't know what to end with. But you guys let me know down in the comments and we'll start to build it. I don't have no problems doing that. Dude, look what you did to my freaking yard.
Damn, son.
Look at this heavy pig. What are you doing with that?
What am I doing?
Man, there's a lot of things that I might do to it. I can either sell it and just get rid of the piece, or I can go buy a motor and just throw it in there. I don't know. I also have that thing. It's been sitting there since Blake's. Paid a whole lot of nothing for it.
Does it say billet?
Yeah, I don't know why it says billet on it. It's not a billet block, but it's a Hamilton comp block, okay? The last one is $10,000 online if you don't go buy one. It has a 1-inch deck plate and some other goodies, whatever. Thicker wall, some other bullshit.
What do you got plans for?
Let's go to the hood.
Oh, we're going to the hood.
Oh, yeah.
All right, let me get up here so I don't fall. And Rip's gonna get mad.
Look at, you're gonna see a huge turbo in here, okay?
Yeah, let's just see it, buddy.
Damn!
Holy sh!
Dude.
It's like, what are those doing?
Those? I was just chilling there because, you know, my tools are scattered all around this truck because it needs a lot of work. But we got to yank this whole motor out and throw a new one.
And a dead battery. And
It does have a dead
struts are dead. Yeah, all right.
Well, down here, you should be able to see a rod sticking out. If you look through that hole. Look, zoom it in.
I don't know if you can see that.
Right there.
Oh, yeah. We'll circle it. We'll outline it for you.
Yeah, so it's got a hole sticking through it. So, it's absolutely junk, you know. I thought I was Billy Badass. I put a 5,000 RPM tune on it, and it threw a rod. 3 hours before, CEO was like, that truck doesn't sound good. You need to change the tune. I was like, oh, it'll be fine. Yeah, it didn't go so well. But, yeah, the plan is to throw a motor in it. We might give it away. We might beat the shit out of it, blow it up. But, yeah,
close.
For the moment,
Well,
old girl's going to sit here and look a little shitty. Oh, CJ promised me if we make some good money off the OBS, we'll throw a good block in this thing. So, y'all get to enter in the OBS now. I'll see y'all later.
see ya.
Ah!